Ron Funches, I don't offer this to every podcast guest.
Okay.
How would you like a free comic book
I like it.
based off of a shitty video game? And
Is there
episode of Rack and Marty.
Is there a kind of podcast that you would have rather been on? Like, whether it's a fishing podcast or like, is there like a fantasy podcast? You're like, like I do my Ron Funches thing, and it would have been nice if I could ever be a guest on X kind of podcast. Like let us fulfill your fantasy.
Ooh, okay. I guess I was. You got something?
I'm waiting on you.
Okay, I thought you were going to say something.
A podcast that doesn't put you on the spot is probably
It's the best because I didn't know about this.
Well, I'll do something. Well, you think of the answer. I'll do a one-man show about, I heard, plumbing.
Do you want theme music to this or no?
If that's an intro, if you want. One-man show about plumbing. One-man show about plumbing. Just think about your thing. Hey, I'm here to check the pipes. The plumbing. Okay, I'll look. Oh, just look at all these plungers. For people who want to subscribe to the podcast right now, visually, there's a lot happening.
It's $5 a month.
Oh, mamma mia! There's a matzo turd coming out of there. Oh.
Is this you trying to talk Ron into wanting to be on this podcast or not wanting to be on this podcast?
I'm giving Ron time to think about the kind of podcast he'd want to be on.
Okay.
Now,
but you can't be that captivating. He's going to be distracted by your...
Well, inevitably the answer is going to be, I don't want to cue you, but you're going to be like, actually, Dan, this was the podcast because of the work I do. But I don't want to. You're going to be like, actually, you just did the podcast that I wish I was on. But feel free to not do that. Hey, whoa. Hey, there's a treasure map in here. Go down inside to find a treasure. Oh,
That's
I'm
a weird
plumber.
map.
Excuse me, what?
That's not a map.
Hey, this ain't no map. It's like instructions. I better go down. Pew, 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 pew. Hey, this place is real dark and spooky. Oh, a severed woman's head. What the fuck? Who would dispose of a woman's head by putting it on a ledge? I better keep looking down this
God. Oh, shit.
sewer pipe.
My God.
Whoa! Appendages. I wonder if they belong to the woman whose head that was. I better think about calling the police. But I got a warrant out on me. You don't become a plumber without having a dark past. My fingerprints and foot boots are all over this place.
Foot boots? Foot boots.
I better call my friend.
Yeah.
Hey, it's me.
Oh, hey, man. What's going on?
Hey, I got a bit of a problem here.
Okay. Yeah. Listening.
I went on a job and found a note/map.
Okay. Okay, good.
Went down the toilet. Went into some kind of underground area.
Okay, yeah.
Found the dismembered parts of a crime victim.
Ooh, say no more. Where are you? I got a piece of paper.
I'm in the tunnels underneath 123 North Wabash.
All right. I want you to do me a favor. Destroy that map/instruction page.
Hey.
And then I want you to open the head. There's a coin in there.
Wait, whoa, hey, whoa.
Open the head. There's a coin in there.
Hey, Luigi.
Yeah.
You know a little bit more about this than I thought you'd know, huh?
I got a hunch. There's a coin.
You got a hunch. It sounds like you got a chain of evidence. Luigi, we go back.
Here, I'll wait. Open up the head and just see if there's a coin in there.
Luigi,
Okay, I'll wait.
Hello? 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 Oh. He's saying hello. Then we will name him Mario. Oh. Oh, hello. Hello. I don't know what that was.
What the fuck?
I'm ready now.
Oh, okay, you're ready. Okay. Okay, what kind of podcast would you rather be on?
I've always wanted to be on a podcast where a guy does a one-man show about plumbing and then does it again, but not using any of that same material.
All right. Happy to oblige you. So the same things happen?
No, you're just a plumber.
Oh, okay. Hey, I'm a plumber. Hello. Okay. Well,
Welcome to Vendome.
Vendome.
Vendome, the home with its own brain. Would you like some coffee, plumber?
Hey, whoa.
Your coffee.
Jeez.
Would you like a cup? You selected number 1 dad. Here's your cup.
Oh, hey, I'm a number 1 dad. Hey, usually Sister Mary Anthony's the one that gets my coffee everywhere.
Sorry, I did not get that.
It's just a little bit of Italian character. I like your coffee. Thank you, Vendome. I'm the plumber, and I'm here to fix the toilet.
Please follow the blinking lights on the floor to the toilet area.
Okay. Well, hey, all things considered, I'd rather be in Philadelphia.
Please open the door to your right.
Hey, Mother Mary Magdalene, Jagadish.
I'm Vendome.
Oh, Vendome.
I need my plumbing fixed.
Hey,
Locking doors. Closing blinds. Recalling satellite dishes. Shutting sunroof. Closing moonroof.
Different things. The moonroof.
Would you like some coffee?
Hey, look, I got a job description. I'm just here to
fix my plumbing.
Yeah. Hey, look, hope you didn't get the wrong idea. I'm just a
plumber.
Plumber? Yeah.
I'm Vendome.
Yeah.
Fix my ass.
Is your
It's broken.
is it plumbing?
It's supposed to be.
Are you a robot?
No.
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 Okay. All right.
No.
Don't ask questions. Don't deny.
No, I'm a full-grown naked man.
Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Oh, hey. No wrong answers. I'll fix your ass.
Will you fix it real good?
Go Mario torch helmet.
You've selected number 1 dad.
Oh, whoa, hey, oh! This place is a real belly of the proverbial whale. God damn. Amelia Earhart's airplane. A submarine from World War II. Whoa!
And a giant penny.
Oh, a giant penny from the penny pilferer from the Batman mythology. Oh, a giant penny, always in the Batcave, usually, from his battles with that character. A little bit of DC trivia. Oh! Oh! So I failed to see what's broken down here. I'm leveling my expert eye at the surroundings, and everything seems comme ci, comme ça. You know what I'm saying?
Oh no! Here comes the problem.
Uh-oh.
Here comes the problem.
Oh.
Here comes the problem.
Hey.
Here comes the problem.
Okay. Mom?
Dad?
Oh, oh yeah. What could it have meant?
You should see the other guy.
Okay, so is that
That's pretty good.
kinda like, oh, thanks so. I mean, look, we here in Harmontown accept the possibility that wasn't on all
Entertainment.
4 cylinders. If having seen it, you want one more.
I know I would, but I haven't eaten yet.